हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे अपने फैक्टराइजेशन के नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। एक्सरसाइज 3B। तो वी विल स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज 3B। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ओके। So this is question number 22. So I will start after 22. Yes. So after the 22, question number 23 we will start. So question number 23 is x square x square plus 2xy, x square plus 2xy plus y square plus y square minus a square minus a square plus 2ab into ab minus b square. So here we can see we have the question x square plus 2xy plus y square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. So if you see carefully, this is the formula of x plus y whole square and minus this whole. And if we take the minus common, it will become a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now this is also a formula of a minus b whole square. So we can write here x plus y square minus, here we can write a minus b whole square. If we see carefully, this is whole part if we assume a square and minus this whole part we assume b square. So it will, according to formula, a square minus b square is equal to, in one bracket, a minus b, in another bracket, a plus b. So we will write here, in one bracket, a, the value of a is x plus y minus the value of b is a minus b. In another bracket, we will write x plus y plus a minus b. Now we will solve this question. So we can write here x plus y minus a plus b. If we multiply this minus in this bracket, so it will become like this. And now we will multiply here x plus y plus a minus b. This is your question. Now finally your answer is x plus a minus a plus b and another bracket x plus y plus a minus b. This is your answer. Number 24. Question number 24. 25x squared minus 10x plus 1 minus 36 minus 36 y squared. Now if you see carefully, this is a 25x squared minus 10x plus 1. The 25x squared minus 10x plus 1 here is minus 36 y squared. So we will write here the 25x squared, you can write this way in 5x squared minus this is 10 with 10x plus 1. We can write here square minus this is 6y whole square. So if we see carefully, this is 5x square and this is, if we break this and like this, 2 into 5 into x. We can see carefully, if you see this 2 into 5 into x, it is a formula of 8 minus, there we can write 5x minus 1 whole square. It is a formula 5x minus 1 whole square and minus there is 6y whole square. Suppose this whole part is a, so we can write here in one bracket a minus b, so we can write here 5x minus 1 minus 6y in another bracket 5x minus 1 plus 6y. Now we can do 5x minus 1 minus 6 in another, we will solve the bracket 5x minus 1 plus 6y. This is our answer. Now next question is 25. Question number 25. The 25 is a minus b minus a square minus a square plus b square. So this is our question. Let me see carefully. This is a minus b. So you can write here a minus b. And now this it will be taken common minus a minus, so it will become a square minus b square. Now we will break this will be a minus b minus in one bracket a minus b in another bracket a plus b. So we can write here, if we take the common a minus b, because this are level here, so we can write here 1 minus a plus b. So we will do here a minus b and 1 minus a minus b. This is our answer. Next, question number 26. So question number 26 is a square minus b square minus 4 minus 4ac minus 4ac plus 4c square plus 4c square. So we can write here, if we see carefully, this is here a square minus 4ac plus this we will write here 2c whole square, and this minus b we will write last, so minus b square. So this whole is known as the formula. So it is become a minus 2c whole square, and like this. And now here minus b square. So the whole part has become the a square. So we will write here in one bracket a minus b. So means the value of a is a minus 2c minus b. And next a minus 2c plus b. Now we will change. This is a minus 2c minus b in one bracket and a minus 2c plus b in another bracket. This is our answer. So next question we will see in our next video.